Well, my fellow people, this is JJ. Well, you can call me Jamie, and I'm here. Wanna do a little piece of the puppeteer thing. So right now, I'm gonna do my little thing and see what can go on. But you guys, don't be harsh on me. I just wanted to give me a comment. Well, it's not so bright here because it's dark now. It's midnight, but I just feel the vibe just to do something, and I'm gonna do it. So well, yeah, that's just me. Don't try to puppeteer now.
Kush kush girl, absus girl. See me like the popular wiggle up your tail. I say every wiggle up your bumper girl. Kush kush. Puppy tail. Girl bumper for your moon just like puppy tail. Puppy tail. Let me put on a trail. Girl a puppy tail, girl a tremble. Girl a puppy tail, them mingle. Hands for your knee, girl look how it's simple. Every man grab a girl and go mingle. Girl a tremble, girl a puppy tail. Walk out now, girl they a puppy tail. Hang up on something they a puppy tail. Love when you get into the puppy tail. Girl, puppy tail, girl right and left. Lay flat on the ground and ice a bumper. Then you move up your ground and right and left. Right and left, girl a sound get. Girl tremble, left right. Jiggle up your bumper, left right, girl, set right. Ready again, girl, you know Friday night. Girl a puppy tail, girl a tremble. Girl a puppy tail, them mingle. Hands for your knee, girl, look how it's simple. Everyone come a girl and go mingle. Girl a tremble.
If you think you have any comments or stuff, you can find me on Facebook by the name of Share Pwitty Pebbles, and that's spelled SherPweetyPebbles. Or you can add me on Skype. It's Belinda. It's spelled BELINDA dot DIXON 7, and I'll be there. Just want to get my groove on, peeps. Thanks for watching, and you can subscribe my video. Okay.